This is Jonathan with VORTEK. In this video, I will explain the viewpoints, pictures, and video settings. Now that your project looks stunning, it is time to share images and videos to your customer. Don't worry, we're also here to make this part easy and simple for you. So the easiest way to save the pictures and also to create a video walkthrough, you first need to add viewpoints in your project. So you need to be in the Visit tab and then click on the Viewpoint button. After that, simply position your camera in the angle where you want to save the viewpoint and click on plus. You will now see the viewpoint appearing in the list here on the left. From there, you can simply just go around and find all of the different viewpoints that you want to use for this project. The viewpoints and spaces will have three different uses. The first one, if you use Spaces live with a customer, you can simply click on any of the viewpoints to go to that location. For that reason, you can also right-click and rename any of the viewpoints to something more meaningful. You can also right-click on any of the viewpoints and use Go Instantly here to go directly to that location without waiting for the camera movement. The second usage for the viewpoints is for picture renderings. So when you save your projects, all of your viewpoints will be converted into pictures. Once Spaces is done with saving the project, all of the pictures will be available in the gallery of your project and ready to be sent to your customer. One of the nice things when you save pictures using the viewpoints is that they will get updated with the new material choices every time that you save your project. But you can also use the picture button here that will generate a high resolution picture of this project, but this one will be frozen in time. So if you want to show your customer a specific option, you can also just save pictures like that will not get updated when you save the project. And finally, we use the viewpoints for the video walkthrough, where the camera will record following the path of all of the viewpoints. Spaces also include some simple transition effects, allowing you to skip to the next viewpoint, modify the speed, or add a pause at a certain point in your viewpoints. So to do that, you simply click on the transition effects that you want to add, and then you can simply drag and drop it in between the different viewpoints where you want to place it. You can also right-click on a viewpoint to add an element in between the list without having to drag it up and down. In this case, let's just go and add a slower space. And then with the pause, you also have the choice of the duration of that pause here. And finally, when you use the pen icon, you will be able to select multiple viewpoints at the same time if you want to delete them as a group. We are now ready to record a video, but before we do that, let me show you some of the recording options. First one, you have a resolution where you can pick anything from 720 all the way up to 4K, including a square resolution that is really nice for sharing on social medias. You then have the button to upload your videos and connect it to your YouTube account. You have video personalization, where you have the choice of adding or not the project name and then the presenter name at the beginning of the video. And you also have the soundtrack, where you can add different music in the background of your video to help set the mood and give a really nice feeling to your video presentation. So to record a video, all you have to do is to click on the red button here, and the camera will automatically position yourself on the first viewpoint and start recording the walkthrough. So what you're seeing there, this is the recording speed at which the camera will move around my project. Depending on the number of viewpoints and the speed at which it's going between the different viewpoints, the speed will be different. When the video is done recording, you will be able to preview the video. If you have turned on the upload to YouTube option, you will have the panel here on the right where you can simply click on Start Upload to upload your project to your YouTube account. If you don't want to send it to your YouTube account, you can go back to your project. To see the video again, you can click on Gallery, where the video will be there along with all of the pictures of the project, where you can also export the file and just share it to your customer as an MP4 file. Spaces will also let you record 360-degree videos that are really great to be watched on a tablet or a smartphone. They are natively supported on Facebook, YouTube, and most social networks. In these more immersive videos, I suggest that you keep the viewpoints at eye level and that you lower the visit speed a little bit. Thank you for watching. You can click below to see the final result of this project. Make sure to watch the other videos in this series covering materials, lighting, videos and pictures, VR extension, and way more. If you are interested, we also offer one-on-one personalized online training covering all of the aspects of the application.